Eat garlic but never make these 8 mistakes. Garlic is a staple in kitchens around the world, known for its unique flavor and incredible health benefits. But did you know that how you handle and prepare garlic can make a huge difference in its effectiveness? Today, we're going to explore the common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Hey everyone, it's your name brand name here. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of culinary delights and nutritional wisdom. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, understanding the nuances of garlic can elevate your cooking and health game. We all know garlic makes our food taste amazing, but did you know it's also a nutritional powerhouse? This humble bulb is not just a flavor enhancer, it's packed with compounds that can boost your immune system, lower blood pressure, and even improve cholesterol levels. The key is to use it correctly to unlock its full potential. That's right, this little bulb is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can seriously benefit your health. Garlic contains vitamins C and B6, manganese, selenium, and fiber. It's also rich in allicin, a compound with potent medicinal properties. But to get the most out of garlic, you need to know how to handle it properly. But here's the thing, there are some common mistakes people make when it comes to garlic that can actually reduce its effectiveness. For instance, did you know that chopping garlic and immediately throwing it into a hot pan can destroy its beneficial compounds? Or that storing garlic in the wrong way can make it lose its potency? And you know me, I'm all about maximizing those health benefits. By understanding these common mistakes, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of every clove. Whether you're using garlic for its flavor or its health benefits, knowing the right techniques can make all the difference. So today we're diving deep into the 8 mistakes you might be making with garlic and how to fix them. From the way you chop it to the way you cook it, we'll cover everything you need to know to become a garlic pro. Let's get started. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to making the most out of this incredible ingredient. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with tips and tricks that will not only enhance your dishes but also boost your health. So grab your garlic and let's dive in. Alright, mistake number 1 is not crushing or chopping your garlic before eating it. Many people don't realize that how you prepare garlic can significantly impact its health benefits. You see, garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is pretty inactive on its own. This means that if you just eat a whole clove of garlic, you're not getting the full range of its potential benefits. But when you crush or chop garlic, an enzyme called allinase is released. This enzyme is crucial because it starts a chemical reaction that transforms allicin into something much more powerful. Allinase converts allicin into allicin, which is where many of garlic's health benefits come from. Allicin is the compound responsible for that distinctive garlic smell and taste, but more importantly, it's packed with health-boosting properties. Allicin is a powerful antioxidant with antibacterial, antiviral, and even anti-cancer properties. This means that it can help your body fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and even protect against certain types of cancer. So, by crushing or chopping garlic, you're essentially activating its superpowers. This simple step can make a huge difference in how beneficial garlic is for your health. Don't swallow those cloves whole. Give them a good smash or chop before enjoying. Not only will this enhance the flavor of your dishes, but it will also ensure that you're getting the maximum health benefits from your garlic. Another tip is to let the chopped or crushed garlic sit for about 10 minutes before cooking it. This waiting period allows the allinase enzyme to fully convert allicin into allicin, maximizing its potency. Cooking garlic immediately after chopping can destroy the allinase enzyme, reducing the amount of allicin produced. So, a little patience can go a long way in making your garlic more effective. Whether you're adding garlic to a stir-fry, a salad, or even making garlic bread, remember these tips. Crush or chop your garlic, let it sit, and then cook it to get the most out of this amazing ingredient. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't make the mistake of skipping these steps. Your body will thank you for it, and your taste buds will too. Remember, it's the little things that can make a big difference in your health. Happy cooking! Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your favorite ingredients. See you next time. Now, you might be tempted to throw that freshly chopped garlic straight into your hot pan, but hold on. Before you rush to cook it, there's something crucial you need to know. Mistake number 2 is cooking garlic immediately after chopping. This is a common error that many people make, and it can significantly affect the flavor and health benefits of your dish. Remember that enzyme allinase we talked about? Well, it needs a little time to work its magic and convert allicin to allicin. Allicin is the compound responsible for garlic's distinctive aroma and many of its health benefits. Give it about 10 minutes after chopping your garlic before exposing it to heat. This waiting period is essential because it allows the alliinase enzyme to fully activate and produce the maximum amount of allicin. This allows ample time for the allicin to form, maximizing its health benefits. Allicin has been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it a powerful ally in maintaining your health. Think of it like this. You're giving your garlic a little pep talk before it goes into battle with those free radicals. By letting it rest, you're ensuring that it has all the strength it needs to fight off harmful invaders in your body. So next time you're preparing a meal, take a moment to chop your garlic first. Then, set it aside and let it rest while you prepare the other ingredients. This small step can make a big difference in the nutritional value of your dish. Whether you're making a stir-fry, a pasta sauce, or a hearty soup, giving your garlic time to rest will enhance the flavor and health benefits of your meal. It's a simple tip, but one that can elevate your cooking to the next level. So remember, patience is key when it comes to cooking with garlic. Give it those 10 minutes, and you'll be rewarded with a more flavorful and nutritious dish. Happy cooking! Speaking of heat, mistake number 3 is overcooking your garlic. While a little heat is needed to release those amazing aromas, too much can actually destroy those beneficial compounds we've been talking about. High heat can degrade allicin, reducing its potency. So, when you're cooking with garlic, add it towards the end of your cooking process. This way it retains its flavor and those valuable health benefits. Remember, a little goes a long way. Now I get it, we're all busy and pre-chopped garlic seems like a lifesaver. But here's the thing. Mistake number 4 is relying solely on pre-chopped garlic. While convenient, pre-chopped garlic loses its potency over time. Remember allicin? Well, it starts to degrade once garlic is chopped and exposed to air. So while pre-chopped garlic is fine in a pinch, try to use fresh garlic as much as possible. Your body will thank you for it. Speaking of fresh garlic, let's talk about storage. Mistake number 5 is storing garlic in the refrigerator. Now you might think the fridge is the best place for everything, but garlic actually prefers a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area. Storing garlic in the refrigerator can make it sprout faster and even affect its flavor. So find a cool, dark spot in your pantry or kitchen for your garlic. It'll last longer and taste better. And that brings us to mistake number 6, not using fresh garlic. Now I know I sound like a broken record here, but fresh garlic really does make a difference. It has the highest concentration of those beneficial compounds and the most potent flavor. So, ditch the garlic powder and embrace the real deal. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Now, while garlic is generally good for you, there are some exceptions. Mistake number 7 is consuming large amounts of garlic on an empty stomach. Garlic has potent compounds that can irritate the stomach lining, especially when consumed in excess without any other food. This can lead to heartburn, indigestion, or even nausea. So, if you're going to enjoy garlic-heavy meals, it's best to do so with some food in your system. And finally, mistake number 8 is ignoring allergic reactions to garlic. While garlic allergies are relatively rare, they do exist. Symptoms can range from mild, like skin rashes, to more severe, like difficulty breathing. So, if you experience any unusual symptoms after consuming garlic, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Your health is always the priority. So there you have it, the 8 common mistakes to avoid when consuming garlic. By being mindful of these tips, you can maximize the flavor and health benefits of this incredible superfood. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips. Until next time, stay healthy.